This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell. Release the secondary catch under the bonnet. Open the bonnet and secure it with the bonnet prop. First, disconnect the wiring from the fuel filter housing. Place rags beneath where the hoses connect to the housing. Disconnect the quick-release fuel lines from the housing. A Vauxhall special tool is available to disconnect the hose connectors, but provided care is taken, the connections can be released using a pair of screwdrivers or a similar tool to depress the retaining tangs. Vauxhall recommends that the connecting clips of the quick-release connectors are renewed whenever removed. Plug the fuel pipe openings to prevent dirt contamination. Lift the fuel filter housing from the crash box. You may need to use a screwdriver to depress the retaining clip at the rear right-hand corner, as viewed from the driver's seat, to be able to remove the housing. With the filter body upright in a suitable container, undo the centre screw and remove the lid from the filter body. Note the position of the lid in relation to the body to ensure correct refitting. Next, remove the filter and upper seal and tip the fuel into the container. Clean the filter housing with a clean cloth before removing the filter from the lid and cleaning that. Replace the seal on the retaining bolt. Fit the new seal to the housing before fitting the new fuel filter. Carefully fill the lower chamber with fresh diesel in order to assist the self-purging process before refitting the lid and tightening the centre bolt. Refit the housing to the crash box. It should click into place. Remove the plugs and reconnect the fuel pipes. Reconnect the wiring plug. Start the engine. You may need to turn it over for a few seconds before the fuel reaches the engine.